This is the new Radon Sensor from Aranet, and here is a quick unboxing. A super quick unboxing video here for you in under 3 minutes before a longer term review of this product over the next couple of months. If you know the Aranet 4 CO2 monitor range, this will look familiar, albeit a bit bigger on the backside to accommodate the radon sensor, which is the ionising chamber type. The e-ink display is clear and comes showing the battery orientation on the screen, but also you can see it on the battery cover, which is a nice touch. Once the batteries are installed, the device boots up in literally a few seconds and you are prompted to press the button stroke wheel on the side to activate it, as you see here live. Once you've pressed that button, it will then go into a 10-minute first recording cycle before you get your first measurement. So let's fast forward. Now it has the first measurement, it will continue to refine this data over the next few weeks. The wheel on the side cycles the data between 30-day average, 7-day average and 24-hour average. Back to the main menu, you can also press the wheel to access the menu function. That menu is also available on the app, so let's have a quick look at the app. Typical to Aranet, this is simple as well. Literally, it recognises the device straight out of the box through Bluetooth. You simply pair it, accept it, and that's it. You're done, you're connected. You have to cycle through a few menu options with some useful information on the configuration and use, and you're into the main setup where you can determine various parameters of the device. And that's it, you're good to go. So I'm going to have this monitor on test over the next couple of months to see how it compares with some of the other monitors and some probably more traditional radon monitoring, so I'll report back then. But this looks like a really solid first pass from Aranet on an independent radon sensor.